Okay, today we are going to clean this Singer 128. I'm not going to go through the whole cleaning process because apparently I did see one YouTuber that had 15 videos on how to clean the machine. And I was like, oh, that's too many videos. So I'm just going to do the basic stuff. And then I will do the deeper stuff, off camera, at a different time. But anyway, like for your materials, you'll need some kind of cloth. I use cotton cloth and some paper towels, some Q-tips or, cotton swabs. I have my little feather duster here. And then the most important is the uh, sewing machine oil. So first I'm going to take my little feather duster and yes, I'm going to just dust a little bit here and there and get all the big dust bunnies out. I did this earlier and there was a lot more, so I just want to get, the bigger ones. All right, so I hope you can see this. My son bought me one of those phone holder things to hold your phone while you're doing stuff with two hands. I'm just going to put oil, a little bit here and there. And then you take your cloth, and I'm just going to start rubbing. Hopefully I don't move that much. But you just want to move the oil. I do circles, There we go. Just do that all around the base of the machine, okay? Like I said, I hope my hands aren't in the way, but I'm just gonna see if there's any big dust bunnies in there. Sorry, it's not focusing. Oh, focus. I might take that out. Okay, so I'm going to take some oil and I'm going to clean / oil the I think this is the shaft, part of the shaft. Yeah. Just get all the major dust bunnies and see. Ew, it's gross. Yuck. So you want to change your cotton swabs often when you're cleaning this because it's kind of dirty. There we go. And then here too. Hopefully my hand's not in the way too much. So next I'm going to put a few drops on the top here. Oh, come on. Just a little bit here and there. Oh, that's too much. That was too much, but it's okay. It drops down, so we'll just do this part first. I like to use circles. Oh, sorry, my hand's in the way. I'm sorry. All right, and I'm gonna very gently go over the decal. Don't rub too hard. All right, so now I'm gonna go to the front and very gently, in circular motion, just go. I put too much oil, I know. I'm just gonna go over the decal really, really softly, I guess. Decal looks really good, yay! Thing about this machine that, I mean, it's not a game changer or anything like that, but I think one of the foot pads is missing because it's not, you know, it goes, I think this one is missing. So maybe that's something that my son can 3D print or make. But when I do the hand crank, you know, that I'll have to see if that matters, because I don't want it to wobble, you know, when I'm trying to sew. But anyway, put one little tiny drop if I can on the, well, on the serial number. This machine was made in 1952. One thing I will definitely do before I actually sew with it, which I won't do for a while, I will definitely change the needle, put a brand new needle in it, of course. I'm gonna clean this stuff up here by the needle bar. There, oh sorry. There we go. Get all the, get between everything. So I'm not really doing anything to the tension mechanism. It actually looks pretty good. I'm just, yeah, I'm just gonna rub it a little bit here and there just because. The next thing I'm gonna do is take off the face plate. There's a screw here and the screw there. So let me take that off and I will see how bad it is, or if it is bad. All right, let's see here. Hopefully my dogs don't bark. Oh my goodness. Remember to have your magnetic bowl next to you. That's a good idea. All right, let's see. These screws are really little, like tiny. Sorry, my hand's in the way. I don't want to lose this screw. All right, so I'm just gonna put the face plate, and this looks pretty clean. Like I don't even think it needs to. It doesn't need anything. This is good. Let me see. Oh, it's got a little bit of oil, I guess from when I put oil in, I guess. All right. Okay, so as you can see, it is quite dirty. Yuck. I mean, it's not that bad, but I'm gonna take some oil on a cotton swab and I'm gonna get the take-up lever, which is here, and then the needle bar, and I'm gonna get all that junk out and put some oil on the needle bar here. I'm sorry, yeah. This is the needle bar. All right, my dog is being very, I don't know what you call it. She's seeking attention. Oh, I'm going to change that. There we go. I still cannot believe that this machine was $8. That's just crazy. So, all right, so that's good. All right, so since I put oil, I put some oil already on the needle bar, so I'm going to come over here and turn this part towards me. Okay, so I'm going to do that towards me, and you can see everything. Get that oil, you know, moving here and there. All right. And I did already oil, I think this hole is an oil point. So I did that already. All right. So now I will say one trick to getting these screws back on is to have a magnetic screwdriver to help you with the screw, because I almost just lost this screw 2 or 3 times. Now, I'm not going to do it so tight that I can't you know, unscrew it next time, so I'm just gonna hand tight it, but not too much, okay? And then okay, so I tipped the machine back, and this is what I'm going to work on next. Now, this flashlight is not the best, but you can see it needs some work. It just needs the cleaning cloth and, you know, the cotton cloth, and to get all the big dust bunnies and then oil it up. So we're going to work on that next. One thing I like to use to get visible dust bunnies is a pair of tweezers like this. And you can put them on a paper towel. That looks pretty gross, but you know, hey. So I'm going to see if I can find any more. I think I got most of them. Let me see. Yeah, I got most of them. So I'm going to finish cleaning this up, and then we will look a little bit closer to that. And then for this underside here, I'm just going to wipe it and get the major stuff out.